Hello children, this is Ipshita Gangopadhyay, teacher from Trinity International School. Students, today we will start with our mathematics chapter number 2, Roman numerals. Students, we know that the Hindu Arabic numeral system is consisting of numbers. That means the numbers what we are using in our day-to-day life is the Hindu Arabic numeral system. The numbers which we use are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So this numeral system, that is the Hindu Arabic numeral system, we use in our day-to-day life. As we have talked about the Roman numeral system, the Roman numeral system is one of the oldest numeral system which was developed by the Romans, those who are staying in Europe. Now this Roman numeral system consists of 7 distinct symbols. The symbols which they were using were I, V, X, L, C, D and M. So these were the 7 symbols they were using in the Roman numeral system. The only drawback of this system was they don't have any symbol for 0. They were not having any symbol for 0. And it was an oldest method of using the number system. So you must have seen in your day-to-day life the Roman numbers which you are using, like when you are going to your standards, that you have been promoted to your higher standard, you must have seen that your standard is written in Roman numerals. Like जैसे आप यदि फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड में जाते हैं तो आपका जो फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड में जो ब्लैंक है वहाँ पे आप कैसे लिखते हो? You are writing capital I, isn't it? And if you are going to second standard, then you are writing 2 capital I's. If you are going to third standard, you are writing 3 capital I's, isn't it? Now if you go for fourth standard, then what you are writing? 1 capital I and 1 V. So that is 4. And you are in fifth standard, so you are writing V, isn't it, for your standard thing. Okay, so V represent your standard, and that V is nothing but your Roman numeral system. Okay, and you must have seen in some of the wall clock में आपको रोमन न्यूमरल्स कभी कभी दिखाई देते हैं, जैसे कि I for 1, 2 I's for 2, 3 I's for 3 and I and V for 4, 5 for 5, isn't it? 10 is represented by X. So you have come across some things which can have your Roman numbers, isn't it? Roman numeral system. सो आपका स्टैंडर्ड में जब हायर स्टैंडर्ड में जाते हो तो आपका स्टैंडर्ड के ब्लैंक में आप हमेशा रोमन न्यूमरल लिखते हो, ये आप ध्यान दीजिए. ओके, और सेकेंडली आप जब भी कोई भी आपके घर में आप देख पाओगे कि वॉल क्लॉक में ये रोमन न्यूमरल्स हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं. ओके, सो बेस्ड ऑन दिस system, we will look forward for the different numbers which we can write in Roman numerals. Okay, so हम जो हिंदू अरेबिक न्यूमरल सिस्टम में जो नंबर्स लिखते हैं 1 2 3 4, उसको हम लोग रोमन न्यूमरल में कैसे लिखेंगे वो ये चैप्टर में एक्सप्लेन किया गया है। ठीक है, और इतना आप ध्यान में रखिए कि मैंने एक स्टेटमेंट कहा था कि रोमन न्यूमरल में ज़ीरो का कोई भी सिंबल नहीं है। ओके, सो वी विल स्टार्ट विथ आवर रोमन न्यूमरल सिस्टम and what are the symbols we are using for it. Okay, so in your notebook just write down the Roman numerals. Okay, so just take out your notebook and write down. Now students, if you can see here, I have given you the table. Okay, so this blue color numbers is Hindu Arabic numeral, and this black color I have written is Roman numeral. Now you can see over here 1 can be represented by one eye, 2 with 2 eyes, 3 with 3 eyes, 4 with 1 eye and V, 5 with 1 V, 6 with 1 V and eye, 7 with 1 V and 2 eyes, 8 with 1 V and 3 eyes, 9 with 1 eye and X, 10 is X, 11 X and I, 12 X I, 13 X I, one more I will be there. Now see 12 and 13, one more I will be there, and 14, see 14, then 15, 1x and 1v, 16, 1x and 1v and 1i, 17, 1x, 1v and 2 i's, 18, 1x and v and 3 i's, 19, 1x and I and x, and 20 is 2 double x, isn't it? So now this is the way you write down the Roman numerals. Now here one point has to be considered is that up to this you have used eyes, isn't it? Why you have not used here 4 eyes? That is one of the question, isn't it? So in this Roman numerals you have a rule that you cannot use any symbol for only for 3 times, up to 3 times, not more than 3 times. So any symbol whatever you are using should not be used for more than 3 times. Okay, तो यहाँ पे देखिए आपको कोई भी सिंबल है वो आप 3 से ज़्यादा बार यूज़ नहीं कर सकते हो। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे देखिए 3 तक हमने आई 3 बार यूज़ कर लिया था, इसीलिए जब 4 नंबर लिखा है हमने उसमें हम लोग 4 आई नहीं लिख सकते हैं, हम लोग उसके बदले क्या लिखेंगे V. Okay, and V is nothing but V stands for 5 और 5 से एक कम, ठीक है, तो इसको हम बोलेंगे 4. Now write down this table first. Okay, write down up to 20, then I will explain you some facts whatever is there. Now if you are writing 1, okay, so you are using I, then what I said is you cannot use the symbol more than 3 times. Okay, so up to this 2 you are writing 2, and then for 3 you are writing 3 I's. Okay, so for 4 you can't use 4 I's. Okay, so they have already means the Roman numeral has already the symbol for 5. Okay, so what was the symbol for 5? Symbol for 5 was this. Okay, and now 4. What is 4? 4 is nothing but it is 1 less than 5. Okay, so here what you were doing? 1. 2 was nothing but 1 plus 1, so I plus I. Then 3 was 1 plus 1 plus 1, so it was 3 i's. Okay, now what about your 4? 4 is nothing but 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, but you cannot put I over there. So what they did is they already had the standard symbol for 5. Okay, V. Standard symbol for 5 was V. So what they had done is 4 is nothing but equal to 5 minus 1, isn't it? 4 was nothing but equal to 5 minus 1. So what they did is they had written 5 like V, and they had put the I sign over here. So whenever they were writing the I sign or any sign to the left of the standard symbol, then that is nothing but the minus sign. ठीक है, देखिए तो ये 5 है, 5 minus 1 is what? Your 4. So इस साइड 5V के लेफ्ट साइड में यदि कोई भी सिंबल लिखेंगे तो वो छोटा हो जाता है नंबर. ठीक है, तो 5 से छोटा नंबर क्या लिखेंगे? 5 minus 1, that is your I, and V is your 4th. Okay, now if you go for 6th, number 6. Now if you are writing number 6, okay, for number 6 what you have is you have nothing but it is 5 plus 1. okay, तो 5 sign आपको पता है. Now if you are writing 5 plus 1 and like this, okay, so 6 will be written in Roman numeral as like this. Okay, so whenever the number which is closer to your standard symbol, then the number you have to see whether it is a small number or big number. If it is a small number, then what you should do? You have to write the symbol on the left side of the standard symbol, and if you have more than that standard number, then you are going to what? To the right of your side you have to add the symbol. okay, so for 4 5 लिखा और ये छोटा नंबर है इसलिए हमने लेफ्ट साइड में I ऐड कर दिया, और 6 नंबर है वो 5 से बड़ा है इसीलिए 5 plus 1 होता है, तो 5 का सिंबल डाला और 1 का सिंबल डाल दिया, तो वी आर गेटिंग 6. okay, now again if you see you have a standard symbol for 10, that is X. okay, so now if you go for 9 is nothing but it is 10 minus 1. So put X, and minus 1 means you have to put the I sign to its left, so this becomes 9. And for 11 also you have your number as 10 plus 1, so this becomes 10 and your sign I will be here, so it becomes 11. okay, so this is the way you have to write for your Hindu Arabic numerals is represented by Roman numerals like this. okay, so we will see other numbers also which are given to you. Now again I have given you some numbers. See here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay. Now 10 you already know that it is represented by the symbol X. Okay. Now 20, 2x. 30, 3x. okay, now what I told you that no symbol should be used more than 3 times. तो यहाँ पे आके 3 बार x यूज हो चुका है. अब क्या करेंगे? 50 का एक स्टैंडर्ड सिंबल दिया हुआ है, that is L. okay, so उस 40 क्या होता है? 50 से कम है, the 10 numbers कम है, isn't it? So what we did? 50 लिखा और उससे 10 माइनस कर दिया. okay, so लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में जाएंगे तो माइनस हो जाएगा. that is why we can write 40 as like this, x and L. Okay, and 50 is standard symbol, that is L, and 60 more than 50, so that is why 50 plus 10. Okay, so LX. Then your 70 is L double X, then 80 is L triple X, isn't it? Now again 3 X's have already come. Okay, now again you have a standard symbol for 100, that is C. ठीक है, and that standard symbol 90 is 10 less than 100, so that is why 100 ka symbol and 90 to your left hand side, so this becomes your 90. ठीक है, so write down this table also. Now I have already mentioned you that there were 7 symbols, standard symbols of Roman numerals. So I have written the 7 symbols of Roman numerals. Now see here chart. I for 1, this is Indo-Arabic number. V for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500 and M for 1000. Okay, so remember these 7 symbols, and based on these 7 symbols only you have to write the Roman numerals. Okay, so ये 7 जो symbols है यही हम लोग Roman numeral में use करते हैं, and don't forget that each symbol must not be used more than 3 times. 3 बार से ज़्यादा एक सिंबल हम लोग यूज़ नहीं करते हैं. ठीक है, और यहाँ पे देखिए मैंने नंबर्स भी लिख दिए हैं हिंदू अरेबिक में कौन किसका रिप्रेजेंट करता है. सो आई रिप्रेजेंट 1, वी रिप्रेजेंट 5, एक्स रिप्रेजेंट 10, एल रिप्रेजेंट्स 50, सी रिप्रेजेंट्स 100, डी फॉर 500 एंड एम फॉर 1000. तो ये टेबल आपको याद रखना है, और जो मैंने पहले दोनों टेबल दिए हैं वो भी आपको ध्यान से याद रखना है. ठीक है, सो वी विल गो फॉर द एक्सरसाइजेस. आपको यदि 1 से 100 तक रोमन न्यूमरल्स में लिखना है तो आप पेज नंबर 15 में जाइए. वहाँ आपको ये देखिए ये टेबल पूरा दिया हुआ है 1 to 100, how to write in Roman numerals. Okay, how to write the Roman numerals from number 1 to 100. So ये जो चार्ट है ये आप ध्यान दीजिए, ये आप देखिए और प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. ठीक है, so we will go for exercises. Now we will see the exercise on page number 16. Only one exercise is there. That is why I have written the page number 16. Now you can see the first question over here. Now you have to just look for the Roman numeral, and this you have to convert it into Hindu Arabic. ठीक है, सो नाउ यू कैन सी x किसका वैल्यू था 10 का, तो 2x है, तो मतलब कितना हो गया 20. ठीक है, 20 हो गया. और ये क्या है देखिए 7 का साइन है. ठीक है, 5 और 2 1, तो 25 और 2 1, तो 5 और 2 1 मतलब 7. सो दिस विल बी 27. दिस नंबर विल बी 27. Okay, now here D is for what? D is for 500. Okay, so write down 500. Now L is for 50, and left hand side 50 minus 10, that is how much? 40, and then 2. Then 2 is there, so 542. Okay, 500, then 40, then 2. Okay, this is 542. Now go to C1. Now C is 50, this L is 50. Now you have X to your right hand side, so 50, 10, 10, that means 70, 76. Write down 76. Okay. Now M represent what? 1000. Now 3 M's are there, that is 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000, that is 3000. Okay. Now go over here 50 and then your 9, 59. Now here D is what? 500 and this C means 100. Now C is on your left hand side, that means 500 minus 100 is 400. Okay, 400. Now if you go for this L means 50 and left hand side is 10, that means 50 minus 10 is 40 again, and you have 5, so it is 445. Okay, this is 500, this is 50 minus 10 is 40, and then 242. Okay, so just like that you have to write the numbers if you are given with the Roman numerals, and if you are given with Hindu Arabic numeral, you have to convert it in Roman numeral. Okay, so now the first question is from Roman numerals to Hindu Arabic numeral. Okay, so write down this. Now we will go for the second question. Now the second question is, you have to been given with Hindu Arabic numeral, you have to write in Roman numeral. Okay, now first number is 187. Now 100, the standard symbol is C. 100 का सिंबल मैंने लिखा था आपको, C होता है ना. और फिर क्या है 80. 80 मतलब 50 और 60, 70, 80. Okay, this is 80. So 100, 80 and 7 also you know. Okay, this is 7. So 187 is the way you are writing the Roman numeral. Okay, now go for the second one. 345. Now 100 you know C, so 300 means 3 C's. Now 40. 40 means what? It is less than 50. 10 less than 50. Okay, now you have this 40 and then you have 5. Okay, so 345. This is the way you are writing the Roman numeral. Third number is 949. Now 900 means what? 900 means it is less than 100 less than 1000. Okay, now 1000 is represented by M. So 100 less than 1000 means you have to put C. So this will become what? 900. Okay, 900. Then you have 40. 40 means it is less than 10 less than 50. That is why you can write like this, 40. And 9, you know how to write 9. Okay, so this is the way you have to write for Roman numeral. CMXLIX. Okay, now go to 736. Okay, now for 500 you know the symbol is D. 700 means 100, 2 hundreds should be there. तो ये 500 का सिंबल हो गया, ये 100 का हो गया, ये 100 का हो गया, तो कितना हो गया 700. Now 36. 36 means you will be representing it by 3x and then you have 6. Okay, so this is how you are writing 736. Okay, now go to 67. 67 means what? 60 means 5. This is 60. okay, and 7. Okay, this is 67. The next number is 222. 200 cc. 220 means 2x. 22 means 2i's. So this is your Roman numeral for 222. Okay. So now see, we have used M symbol for 1000, we have used D for 500, we have used X for 10, we have used C for 100, isn't it? So all the symbols we have used. So this is how you have to go for your question number 2. Now go to question number 3. Now our third question is add. Okay, adding the Roman numeral. Now if you can see over here, I have written the question. तो ये इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? C is for 100. Okay, and write down in your Hindu Arabic form. ये 100 हो गया और ये 4 हो गया. इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? देखिए ये नंबर आ गया. हाँ, अब क्या होता है? यहाँ ऐड है, फिर क्या है ये देखिए, C है, C मतलब 100 और लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में 10 माइनस कर दिया तो कितना हो गया? 90. अब देखिए, ठीक है, तो ये हो गया आपका 104, ये हो गया 90. सो आफ्टर एडिंग अप व्हाट यू गेट इज 194. सो हाउ यू कैन राइट ओवर हियर? सी 100 तो हो गया. अब 90 कैसे लिखोगे? 90 आपको लिखेंगे तो क्या होगा? 100 माइनस 10, तो ऐसे हो जाएगा. 100 माइनस 10 इज 90 और 4 194 आया. 100 का क्या लिखा हमने? C लिखा. 90 का क्या लिखा? 100 माइनस 10 90 और 4. ओके, सो दिस इज योर आंसर. So this is 94. So write on your right hand side this thing, Hindu Arabic system, okay, and your Roman numeral. Okay, so this will be easy for you. 104 और 90 तो ऐसे करके लिखोगे तो आपको easy रहेगा. ठीक है. Now go for second. Now your second question is mm plus cm. mm मतलब क्या? M means what? M means 1000. That means 2 M are there. That is why you are writing 2000. Now you have M minus 100. Okay. So that will give you 900. Okay. So देखिए अब. Now you will get like this. Isn't it? So your answer will be 2900. Okay. So this is your answer. 2900. Now go for third. Now third sum is D plus CC. Now what do you mean by D? D means what? 500. Okay, and 2 C's are there. That means you have 100 plus 100. That is 200. Okay, so this will give you what? 700. That means what? 500 plus 2 C's. This will give you 700. So answer will be this. Okay, now go for the next one. Now go for your D1 like this. So L represent what? 50. Now after 50 2 tens are there. That means 75. Okay, 75. And this is your 109. 109. So right here. Okay, now what is this? Just add up 14, 184. So how you will write 184? Now 50, 100, no? So write down C for C, then 84. 80 means what? 50, 60, 70, 80. Okay, so 80 and then 4. So like this. Okay, So can you see? 184. So this is your answer for D. Now we will go for fourth question, that is subtraction of the Roman numeral. Again your first question is given to you, m minus cm double x. Okay, so what do you mean by m? M means 1000. Then what? Subtract 1000 minus 100 is your 920. 920. Okay, so as 1000 minus 920, it will be your 80. So now 1000 minus 920 will give you 80. Now how you will write 80? 50, 60, 70, 80. Okay, so this will be your answer. Now if you go for the second question, you have this number, that is, now see here, 2x means 24 and here is 1x and 7, that is 17. Okay, 24 minus 17. Now subtract this, you will get 14 minus 7 as 7, isn't it? And here 0. So you should write the answer as 7. Okay, so this is the way 7 you are writing, and this is your subtraction. Okay, so this is B. Now go for C1. Now if you go for the C1, now you have your DCC. DCC means what? 500, then 600, then 700. So your number is 700 minus 27. 27. Okay, 700 minus 27. Now 10 minus 7 is 3. 9 minus 2 is 7. And then carry 1, so this will become your 6, isn't it? So 673, 673. So how you will write 673? So 500 and then 600, then 70. How you are writing? 50, 60, 70 and then your 3. Okay, 600, 500, 600, then 50, 60, 70 and 3. Okay, so this is your C. Now our D1, 2 C's, 1x and 1 C. That means 2 C represent what? 200, and here 100 minus 1 is 90. Okay, now here 50, 65 minus 65. Okay, so here 10 minus 5 is 5, then 8 minus 6 is 2 and then 2. Okay, 225. So how you will write that? 200 and then 20 and 5. So this will become 225. Okay, so this is about your fourth question. So with this we end up with the exercise. Now you have review questions. You have the review exercise. Now see, you have been given write the following numerals in Hindu-Arabic numeral system. So you have been given with Roman numerals and you have to convert this in Hindu-Arabic numeral system. Now here you can see that it will be 17. Okay, here what will happen? 45, isn't it? So this will be what? Your 100, then 500, then dx, isn't it? Then this is 500, then c minus 100, that will be 400. 449. Okay, so 449, this will be your 300, then 391, this is 561, this will be 24, this will be what, 5 6 7 700. Okay, this will be see 500 and 3 c's, that means 800. 801, this will be what, see 1000 minus 100, that means 920, and this is 1000. Now like this you have to write in Hindu Arabic numeral system. ये रोमन न्यूमरल में दिया है आपको अपना हिंदू अरेबिक सिस्टम में नंबर्स लिखना है, ठीक है। और यहाँ पे क्या करना है, यहाँ पे जो नंबर्स दिए हुए हैं इसको रोमन न्यूमरल्स में कन्वर्ट करना है, तो हम इसका ऑपोजिट यहाँ करेंगे। तो ये आपको करना है, ये आप ध्यान से इन सबको आप अपने आप करने की कोशिश कीजिए, ठीक है। फिर फाइंड द वैल्यूज़ ऑफ फॉलोइंग, तो मैंने ये थर्ड क्वेश्चन और फोर्थ क्वेश्चन जो एक्सरसाइज में था वो मैंने ऑलरेडी आपको करवाया है। तो आप चार्ट देखकर, चार्ट मतलब वो जो मैंने जब स्टैंडर्ड सिंबल्स दिए हुए हैं उसके हिसाब से आप ये वाला सॉल्व करेंगे, ठीक है, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी मैंने थर्ड और फोर्थ क्वेश्चंस में ऐसे वाले सॉल्व करके बताए हैं। सो यू आर गोइंग टू डू दैट एंड हियर यू हैव टू सॉल्व इट, यहाँ पे आपको सॉल्व करना है और सॉल्व करने के बाद आपको जो भी आंसर आया होगा वो आंसर को आपको रोमन न्यूमरल्स में लिखना है। सो ये जो फोर्थ क्वेश्चन है मैं एक आपको करके दिखाती हूँ, उसके बाद आप खुद बाकी वाले, क्योंकि मल्टीप्लिकेशन और एडिशन आपको आता है तो वो आप अपने नॉर्मल जो यूजुअल वे में करते हैं वैसे करोगे, उसके बाद जो भी वैल्यू आएगा उसको आप रोमन न्यूमरल में कन्वर्ट करने की कोशिश कीजिए, ठीक है। तो मैं एक आपको सम करके दिखाती हूँ, आप बाकी आप खुद कर सकते हैं। अब देखिए ये जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन मैंने लिखा था आपका फोर्थ, देखिए 42 + 50 मैंने लिखा है, मैंने इसको सॉल्व किया है। 42 + 50 92 आता है, 92 मैंने आंसर लिखा है। उसके बाद इसको मैंने कन्वर्ट किया है रोमन न्यूमरल में। देखिए 100 मतलब क्या, C, और -10 करेंगे तो 90 आ जाता है। सो दिस रिप्रेजेंट 90 एंड यू हैव 2 eyes, दैट इज 92। तो इस हिसाब से आपको लिखना है। सिमिलरली मल्टीप्लिकेशन भी आप लिख सकते हो, एक मल्टीप्लिकेशन का भी मैं बता देती हूँ आपको। नाउ देखिए 7 × 20 इज़ 140, 140 मैंने लिखा है और इसको रोमन न्यूमरल में कन्वर्ट किया है। 100 का C होता है, 40 मतलब 50 - 10, so I have written in Roman numeral, and rest of the questions you will try, because everything has been explained to you and I have done all the exercises for you, and this review exercise is your practice exercise, so do it, and some of them I have already told you, so just go through that and practice this Roman numerals properly. Thank you.